Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Motiveast. Today I'm back here with another interesting video, that is giving you the details of the Kia Sonet. We have already made a video in Kia Sonet regarding what features may come in her. I'll post the link in the description box if you haven't seen that video. But still, in this video I'm going to tell you the exact features of the brochure of that is officially leaked by Kia. So Kia has officially said it will be launching its Sonet in the next month, September 27th or 28th. In this video, I will be telling you the transmission types, engine options, feature-wise, variant-wise feature list, colors, and the body colors of that, upholstery colors, and everything will be covered in this video. So with no more further delay, let's begin. So guys, today actually I had to post a video on episode 1 for my new car guide series. I posted the introduction video, and if you haven't seen that, I'll post the link in the description box below so that you can easily access to that. But this topic Kia Sonet has attracted me and I had to make a video. So the episode 1 video, that is which body type do you buy, which will be coming next week. Guys, Kia Sonet is available in HTE, HTK, HTK Plus, HTX, HTX Plus, and the sporty trim GTX Plus. So it's available in 6 variants, and it's not that every 6 variants get all the transmission options and all the engine options. So the HTX Plus variant is the most value for money variant in the whole Kia Sonet order, because it gets each and every transmission available in the line and each and every engine option available in the line. So now let's shift to my screen and I will be showing you everything in detail. So guys, now I would like to show you the engine options in each and every variant. So first let's start with the Kia Sonet basic variant, that is the HTE. So HTE variant will come with a 1.2 liter naturally aspirated petrol engine paired to a 5-speed manual gearbox and a 1.5 liter CRDI WTG engine paired to a 6-speed manual transmission. Now let us check out the engine options and transmission options in the Kia's second variant, that is the HTK Plus. So HTK Plus will come with a 1.2 liter naturally aspirated petrol engine paired to a 5-speed manual gearbox and a 1.5 liter CRDI diesel engine paired to a 6-speed manual gearbox. So they are almost the same with the basic variant, that is the HTE. So now let's check out the next variant. So guys, now let's check out the next engine option. The next engine option is HTK Plus. In this variant, you will be getting the automatic. From this variant, you will get the automatic. So there will be 2 petrol engines. One is the normal 1.2 liter naturally aspirated with a 5-speed manual, and a 1.0 liter turbo petrol GDI engine with a 7-speed DCT. Now let's check out the diesel variant. The diesel will get a 1.5 diesel mill-mated. So guys, it's a mill-mated engine to a standard 6-speed manual and an optional 6-speed automatic transmission. So now let's go to the next variant, guys, which is the Kia Sonet HTX. So in this, it will come with a 1.0 liter turbo petrol motor mated to a 5-speed manual and a 1.5 liter CIDI WGT diesel engine paired to a 6-speed manual transmission. So guys, now let us check out the engine option in the Kia Sonet's Plus package, that is the HTX Plus and the GTX Plus. So the HTX Plus will get a 1.0 liter turbo petrol engine paired to a 5-speed manual transmission, and the diesel will be a 1.5 diesel with a 6-speed manual transmission. So now let's go to the top end variant of the Kia Sonet, which comes in the sporty line of Kia, called as GTX Plus. So it will come with a 1.0 liter turbo petrol GDI engine with a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed DCT. While the 1.5 liter diesel variant will come mated to a standard 6-speed manual and an optional automatic transmission. So as I told you before, even the top end variant GTX Plus doesn't get each and every transmission, while the HTK Plus variant gets each and every transmission. So guys, now let's check out the variant wise features list. Guys, before showing you the variant wise feature list, I would like to show you the specification comparison between all the compact SUVs available in this segment. So guys, now it's time to check out the features in the base variant, that is the HTE. So interior feature, it gets a 3.5-inch monocolor instrument cluster, front and rear USB charging ports, manual AC control, premium fabric seats, front adjustable headrest, that means it doesn't give rear headrests, front door power windows, meaning back, rear are normal hand pulled windows, silver garnish on AC vents, electrical power adjustment with tilt adjustment. That means it gets tilt, it doesn't get the telescopic adjustment. So now let's see the exterior features. You get Kia signature heartbeat DRLs, Kia signature tiger nose grille, which they're giving in each and every car, heartbeat DRLs, halogen headlamps, 15-inch steel wheels with covers, front and rear fog skid plates, electrically adjustable ORVMs, and tube type rear antenna, and we also get a rear central reflector. So now let's see the most important feature, which is the safety feature. It gets central locking, dual airbags, ABS with EBD, emergency stop system, and rear parking sensors. At least 4 airbags would be a good choice, but still, being a base variant is good for the price. These were the features available in the basic trim of the Kia Sonet, that is the HTE. There are so many basic features in the basic variant of Kia Sonet that, oh my god, how many features will be there in the top end GTX variant of this. So now be with me to know the features in the next variant, that is the HTK Plus. So guys, now let us check out the features in addition to the base variant in the next variant, that is the HTK. You get the keyless entry, that means in the basic variant you get the normal key, you get multifunctional steering wheel, you get the Bluetooth UVO light connectivity, then you get the 4 speakers setup, that means you don't get any tweeters here, you get 2 DIN audio system, you get height adjustable driver seat, follow me home headlamps, seat pockets and sunglass holders, rear door power windows, leatherette seat with contrasting stitching. Guys, these are the features available in the Kia Sonet's second variant, that is the HTK. I can take this variant as the most valuable value for money variant, as we say, because it doesn't have each and every feature, but it's a very good variant for those who want a good SUV under the price of 8 or 9 lakhs. So now be with me to see the next variant, which is the HTK Plus. So guys, now let us check out the additional features in the variant HTK Plus. So in the interior you get 8-inch touchscreen with Archimedes system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless phone protection. You may be getting a doubt, right? What's wireless phone protection? Wireless phone protection is like it's like a mirror link for Hyundai. You can take it as mirror link. After that you get leather wrapped gear knob. It's only in automatic and DCT, not in manual. You get 2 tweeter setup, rear parcel shelf, OMG. That means you don't get the rear parcel shelf in the HTK variant. Isn't that a glaring omission? Then you get the traction control in the DCT variant. You get drive modes, which are also only in the DCT variant. Now let's check out the exterior features. You get Kia Sonet front profile, that is the front, their signature design. Auto headlamps, chrome radiator grille, projector fog lamps, floating type roof rails, shark fin antenna, ORVM with LED turn indicators, rear silver skid plates, rear defogger. Now let us check out the safety features of this variant. You get the rear view camera with guidelines, electronic stability control. You also get the ESP, the brake assist, vehicle stability management, and the hill assist. Still, you get only 2 airbags in this variant. So guys, these were the features available in the HTK Plus team. I can say this as the most value for money variant in the whole Kia Sonet trim, as it gets each and every features. It doesn't get ventilated seats and all that, but it gets each and every feature needed for us. So now be with me to know the next trim, that is the HTH. Guys, now let us check out the additional features in the Kia Sonet's HTX variant. In interior, we get the Kia Sonet premium interior, 8-inch touchscreen with Archimedes sound system, wireless phone projection, leather-wrapped gear knob, decut steering wheel and gear knobs, cruise control, black beige interior, semi-leather seats with contrast stitching, rear passenger adjustable headrest. So till now you are getting fixed headrest, guys. Automatic climate control. Now let's see the exterior features. You get projector fog lamps, automatic crown jewel headlamps, heartbeat LED DRLs and tail lamps, integrated turn indicators, electric sunroof, floating type roof rails, shark fin antenna, side door silver garnish, and auto folding ORVM. So guys, these were the features available in the HTX variant. This is a good variant for those who want comfort features and safety features together. Now be with me to see the next variant, that is the HTK Plus. Guys, now let us check out the second most top variant in the Kia Sonet trim. So let's check out the interior features. You get front ventilated seats, then you get with the Kia Sonet logo, 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, 4.2-inch MID cluster, UVO connected car features, OTA map updates, artificial intelligent voice commands via Hello Kia, premium leather seats with silver finishing, dual tone interior, leather wrapped door trims, LED sound mood lights, full size driver's side back pocket, 7-speaker Bose audio system, a smart air purifier with virus protection, ventilated driver and front passenger seats, anti-glare inside rear view mirrors with OVO Connect. Oh my god, what interior features. Now let's check out exterior feature, guys. You get 16-inch alloys with silver caps, dual tone roof. Guys, from this variant you can opt for the dual tone roof, where you get a color for the body and the other color for roof, and the rear wiper and the washer. So guys, these were the features available in the HTK Plus trim. I can take this also as the most valuable variant because it gets each and everything. This is the top variant of the HT trim line, which is a good thing, and it gets each and every feature. It gets the ventilated seats, 3.5-inch monochrome door handles, everything, every feature you get in this. Now be with me to see the next and the top end level of the sportier trim, that is the GTX Plus. So guys, now let us check out the features in the Kia Sonet's top-end sportier trim variant, which Kia calls it the GTX Plus. So in the interior, you get Kia Sonet infotainment system, 10.25-inch HD touchscreen infotainment system, 7-speaker Bose audio system, UVO connected system, intelligent voice recognition, smartwatch connectivity. The Kia doesn't give it. If we have, we can connect it to a smartwatch. Then automatic climate control, all back interior, wireless phone charger, cruise control, all door power windows, front and rear adjustable headrest, height adjustable driver seat, rear center armrest. So till this variant you don't get rear center armrest. So now let us check out few more features in the interior, which are multi-drive modes like traction control and all that. Then you get height adjustable driver seat, electric power steering, and air purifier with virus protection, steering mounted controls, high gloss black colored AC vents, premium leatherette seats, and roof lining. Guys, this gets an electric power steering. Cars double of this price, that is the Hyundai Creta and all don't get electric, but Kia Sonet gets it. So now let us check out the exterior features. It gets Kia Sonet's Tiger Nose Grille, Kia's Tiger Nose Grille, GT line badging in red accent, 16-inch alloy crystal dual cut alloy wheels, wheel caps with red finish, red brake calipers, dual tone roof option, electric auto folding. These features available in the most top end trim of the Kia Sonet, which is the GTX Plus. I would recommend these to the people who want a sportier car with all the features needed under the price of 14 lakhs. Guys, these are some pictures leaked in the brochure by Kia. So this is the back of the car, the overall view of the car, the DCT transmission gear lever photo, the concept version. This is not the on-road one, this is the concept one. The infotainment system, and these are the picture of ventilated seats, I think. That's it for today, guys, and if you like this video, then please do like, share, subscribe to my channel MotorBeast, and stay tuned for the next video. That's gonna be the episode 1 of my new car buying guide series.